Using composting principles in septic tanks to break down waste. Septic systems are vital for waste management, yet many homeowners overlook natural ways to improve their function. By applying composting principles in septic tanks, waste can be broken down more efficiently, reducing odors, preventing buildup, and supporting long-term sustainability. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Similarities between compost and septic systems. Both rely on bacteria to break down organic matter. Compost uses oxygen-loving microbes, while septic tanks use anaerobic bacteria. Still, the same logic of balance and microbial health applies. 2. Microbial health is key. A compost pile thrives with diverse microbes, and so does a septic tank. Chemicals, bleach, and antibacterial cleaners destroy these helpful organisms. Protecting bacterial health ensures solids break down effectively. 3. Balanced waste input. Composting works best with the right ratio of greens and browns. In septic tanks, this means avoiding too much food waste, grease, or non-biodegradable items. Balanced input keeps the system stable and efficient. 4. Natural efficiency over chemicals. Just as compost doesn't need harsh additives, septic tanks should not rely on synthetic treatments. Encouraging natural microbial action reduces sludge and extends the life of the system. 5. Long-term sustainability. Using composting principles in septic tanks lowers pumping frequency, minimizes clogs, and reduces environmental impact. Small daily choices, like avoiding toxins, create lasting benefits. Applying composting principles in septic tanks is a simple yet powerful way to manage household waste naturally. By protecting microbes, balancing inputs, and avoiding harmful chemicals, homeowners can keep their systems working smoothly while also protecting the environment. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.